my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. And this is the November 2021 sheet load of cards. I will be doing 10-minute segments to show you how much you can get done in 10 minutes. This sheet load is put out by Call Me Crafty Al, and this is the sketch for this month. And I will be using my Winter Market 6x6 paper pad from my Club EP kit from last year. I still have lots and lots of sheets, and so I pulled out 6. I've got everything cut out and set up. I've got all my stamps that I'm going to be using. I've got my little trees that I'm going to be putting on the front of the sentiment strip. I've got my card bases, and I will be stamping with Shaded Spruce from Stampin' Up because of this little color in the coffee mugs. And I am using my old timer. I pulled it out because my phone is dead and it's going to take too long to rev up. And these are stickers that I had bought originally for my wedding invitations that I didn't use. So I will be decorating the inside also. Let me get a backup of my tape. Okay, let's get started. 10 minutes on the clock. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and start putting these pieces on. Wait, okay, these go in the middle, these go on the ends, all right. I put them in order for a reason. You can alternate. You can put the bigger piece on the bottom and the smaller piece on the top, either or mix it up. We'll put all these pieces together first before we assemble the middle. That's what assembly line is all about. It has served me well. And there's still plenty of room to add your own touch. I thought this was perfect, as Alicia of Call Me Crafty Al has also done winter theme. And it is using 6x6. She has several sketches now that use that. They're very fun. Okay, we're almost done with this. This sketch makes 6 cards. And you can certainly double that. I know Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts did that. Very, very cool. But for the sake of this 10-minute series, I just wanted to go with the amount of cards for the original sketch. Okay, when you're cutting, you do want to be mindful of the pattern, the you know, up and down directional. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's put these pieces on here. I thought for a minute to use 2x3 cut aparts from the original Club EP set, but I had used them all up. And the other ones from the kit were way too tiny. And then I also thought for a brief minute to change this color, but then I just decided to go with the flow. It was too hard to decide what other color I could use that would look halfway decent. And if you wanted to, you could also use the other side of the paper. That's the beauty of two-sided paper. Okay, we are almost done with this. Great. Okay, so let's go ahead and start assembling the card fronts. I will be stamping the inside before we get too far. I'll just put the 5 1/4 by 4 pieces on. I didn't show you before, but she does have the cutting guide on this side. I used 2 pieces of 3 different designs. The snowman, aren't they cute? Those coffee mugs just make you go, mmm. Hot chocolate on a cold day. Okay. We're doing good here. Okay, let's go ahead and put these together. Let's see. It's going to be hard because there's too much white. It's difficult to find something just perfect. But there we go. So yeah, I don't know, that looks okay. What you think? We are doing good. You can get a lot done in 10 minutes. We will add, however, we will go ahead and add 10 minutes for the cutting in my final tally of how much time it really took. Okay, this is looking good. Fantastic. Okay, now before I put these on the front, I'm going to stamp the inside. We have Be Merry from a Queen and Company set. And I'm going to be using Shaded Spruce. Oh, this is mint macaron, by the way. But because of the color in the coffee cup, that's pretty green, I'm going to be using Shaded Spruce. It also shows up a little better. Up! Well, okay, we didn't quite get to the stamping. That's my timer. Sounds pretty weak and yucky. All right, so here's where we are. We're pretty darn close here. Okay, there's all the card fronts. The initial matting put on the card bases. And then I have all these done. And we're going to stamp next time. And then embellish. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you haven't had a chance to see all of her design team collaborators, please make sure you watch them. See you again real soon. Bye-bye.